Hey guys, what's up? My dad's watching Flash. So if you hear any noises, don't worry, it's just my dad watching the Flash. Slime's stuck to my hands. I made it. What am I? So this was the galaxy one. I bought it for like $5 or $4. Sorry, it's falling. I'm trying to hold it up with my leg because I'm trying to. My slime stuck to my hand. But that's not all of the slime. There's still some more.
Let's go.
Just look at it. Just want to collect it off my hand though.
Take it easy. Just say 2.
You're right about running. It's so peaceful. Calming. It's more easy to think.
Look. There's more in here. I added a rubber band in here for no reason. Where are we going? Oh. Hey, I'm recording.
Okay, that is the dumbest video I've seen in my life.
Right.
Because all you're doing is recording your hands.
I know, I just started and I'm trying to get the slime off of my hands.
Okay, first off.
You guys,
Hi.
look how glittery my hands are.
Hi.
My dad tried to say hi.
Hi.
He's annoying.
Yeah. I am.
I put some slime on his hands.
Bye.
On YouTube, might want to see the slime I put on your.
I don't know, but
Oh, there's like some.
I joined this team, and now, for the most part, I just stay here while all of you are out there in your lives.
Bye.
And
What? That was fast.
it took
Bye.
me being
See,
this close to it.
it's,
And now that I'm
see,
one half,
that's.
it's my turn to do what all of you've been doing.
There's. Okay, it's hard to show the slime on his hand that I put.
Oh my god.
It's very small.
Phil, stop posting weird videos.
Dad, stop posting your videos.
No, bring in, they'll give you a free, bag to shop.
Daddy, barely anyone even watches these videos, so. Yeah. No. First time I got my sandals. Then I'm a shout. That kitties. Kitties times.
Hey, you, come here.
Hey, he wants me on my YouTube channel.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, baby.
Baby.
No, Bella, we gotta go.
Look at the gnocchis. Oh my gnocchis. He's so cute.
Hi, Bella, let's go.
Look, we're leaving them all alone. Wait, they're on super. Protect the cats. You put the slime on the counter where the counters. They just want me.
Okay, we'll be in the car.
I do for my baby. Hey, hey. Yeah, you actually want me.
Who wants to
Bye.
leave?
Me.
Wait, why are you gonna leave?
I'm not leaving. Hey, I'm coming too. Why? That's so slow. I wonder what happens while you're recording. You just put your headphones on. Like, I wonder if you guys could hear or not. Well, one day I might try that. But think that's good actually because I see some YouTubers doing that. Some glitter on the phone I'm using to record. It's tons of it in my hand. What's it? In the car. Yes. Yes, queen. Hold on. Buckle up.
That's my phone in the car.
That's a noof. I guess somebody has to go back in the house to get their phone.
Someone made a joke about the whole Area 51 thing, and they said instead of storming Area 51 to see aliens, we should dress like aliens outside so they take us in.
That's a good one.
Why not have an alien party outside?
It's true. Do you think the government still has anything there?
No.
Then why would they shoot people?
I'm sure there's
'Cause that's
things
like-
that they still do, but not top secret.
But I don't
I'm
think
sure
it
they've
says that they'll shoot you if you trespass.
It's a government place, though. You can't trespass. It's like a home.
Well, yeah, you
Can't
can get
trespass at
arrested,
home.
but I don't think they just kill you.
Why am I not talking to you guys? This seems like a boring video already. Maybe I have to start a new one. Guess I'm gonna vlog another one today.
Someone looked at what happens if
Well, peoples, this is 2019.
You fit?
Yeah.
July 18th. Actually, is it?
It does?
Is today July 18th? Mommy.
No, I didn't hit it. I mean, I hit it, I think, the first
Hold
time
on.
we were trying to park.
Well, because I was wrong. It's July 14th. 2019, July 14th.
Like where?
So yeah, you guys will know that this is 2019. So all of the videos I posted so far are in 2019.
No.
So peace to that.
Should I take
Peace. Can you guys even see my face? And like,
a look? You're talking about the car in front of me, right? Yeah. I didn't get anywhere near it.
I wish I could just press and then flip the camera. But I can't, sadly.
You are? No. My parents have some.
I got the eye of the sadness. Well, I might end this video because it seems boring for you guys. So I'm going to make another video. Hopefully it will be fun for you guys. So, bye.